114,000 digital marketing jobs were wiped out in the first half of 2026. Is yours next? That number isn't a prediction. It already happened. And the people who got hit weren't bad at their jobs. They just didn't adapt fast enough. Here's what the survivors have in common. They stopped treating AI as a threat and started using it as infrastructure. They plugged in professional social tools to handle scheduling, cross-channel publishing, and real-time metrics. That freed them up to do what AI literally cannot do: create content with a human perspective that actually earns engagement. Research confirms it. Audiences penalize content they identify as purely AI-generated. The creative soul still has to come from a person. So the role isn't disappearing, it's changing. The strategists who understand social commerce, answer engine optimization, and micro-influencer ROI are the ones companies are fighting to keep. Don't wait for your job to be the next statistic. Read, Adapt, or Be Replaced: The 6 Realities of Digital Strategy in 2026. Grab your copy now.